Hey everyone, onboarding to a new code base is a slow and expensive process. It crushes developer productivity. To solve this, I built the Codebase Onboarding Agent, an AI pair programmer powered by Gemini to make any code base instantly understandable. So, how does it work? Imagine an always available coding partner. My agent is a supervisor-worker multi-agent system built with the Google ADK. The supervisor plans and breaks down complex questions, delegating tasks to two specialist workers, one for semantic search and one for structural analysis. This hybrid approach is what makes the system so powerful. Now, for the fun part, I'm going to ask the agent the exact kind of complex question I would have asked when starting on a new project. I'm asking it to explain the entire document processing pipeline. This requires it to find the main function and trace the data flow through multiple steps. Here you can see, cool, we have the final response already. Let's get back to analyzing the agent's plan. This is a clear, detailed, step-by-step plan. It's not just reacting, it's thinking. Now, watch as it executes this plan. This is the core reason and act loop. The agent calls a tool, gets a result, and then you see its reasoning. It's the internal monologue where it analyzes the new information and refines its approach for the next step. It's methodically working through its plan, getting closer to the final answer with each step. Finally, it synthesizes everything into this comprehensive explanation, pulling information from multiple steps into one final answer. This is the multi-step reasoning that makes it so powerful. The agent is built with the Google Agent Development Kit and Gemini, using a hybrid code knowledge pack created with NetworkX and ChromaDB. This project proves a multi-agent architecture can transform code comprehension into an interactive conversation. I'm really excited about its potential, and I invite you to explore the project in the Kaggle notebook below. Thanks for watching.